Let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What's the video about?
It's about a family in China.
Okay, let's watch.
My name's Yong. I'm from China. This is my mum and dad. This is my grandpa and grandma. We're in the park. I haven't got a brother or a sister, but I've got cousins. This is my uncle and aunt. And these are my 2 cousins. This cousin is a boy. His name is Lee. This cousin is a girl. Her name is Lou. He's my cousin too. He's a baby.
So Young's got 3 cousins.
Yes. What about you, Tom?
I've got a cousin, she's a girl. Her name is Mia.
I've got a cousin too. He's a boy. He's a baby. His name is Dylan.
What about you? Tell me about your cousins.